This is Sabrina, and I'm going to guide you through this little slideshow of our current kit, the Card Keeper. You see a beautiful purple plain cover. It does not have to remain plain. You can embellish it any way you wish. The first page is a place that you can write this album belongs to, or a little notation to whoever you may decide to gift it to. Each of the page layouts or spreads, which consists of 2 pages facing each other, are exactly the same throughout the album. That makes it easy to put together. But each spread has totally beautiful, colorful papers that represent their month well. For January, we have the beautiful blue and pink that represents the cold crisp air and rosy cheeks. For February, we have the beautiful pinks and snowdrops for Valentine's. For March, we have the beautiful blues and greens for St. Patrick's Day and good luck. For April, the gorgeous Art Deco pattern of pink irises on purple. And each spread has a tag with a rounded top. On this rounded top, you can add a hole to add some ribbon to it if you wish. The lines are placed where you can write the dates and names of people you wish to gift cards to that month, and the cards can go into the envelopes. The envelopes are a good size. They are almost 9 inches wide and 6 inches high. Therefore, you can put a number of cards in them. The A2s and A7s with their envelopes will fit in there. The envelopes are white on the inside, and if you run out of space to write names and dates on the tag, you can add additional cream or white colored cardstock on the back of the tag to continue your list. These gorgeous papers are such a joy to look at as each month you go through to gift cards. Now, just because we call this a card keeper does not mean it has to be a card keeper. The card keeper can also be a photo album. Instead of cards in the envelopes, you can put matted photos in there with a description of the happenings that are going on for those pictures, and the tag could be an index of what is in the envelope. This is an easy and quick album to put together and great for beginner album makers. These gorgeous colors are such an inspiration as you work on it and as you use it. I am so thankful for the opportunity to design this for you, and thank you for purchasing this kit and gifting it to someone.